Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is I'm going to make a pandan rose. So all we need are pandan leaf, a stapler, and a pair of scissors. And to get started, we have to fold roughly about 4 inches, something like this. Like that. So fold here and here also. See, then we have to roll it up to the left. 1, 2, 2, then twist it, twist, make it tight, then do it the same thing like that. It must be very tight. Then one more, do the same thing until the end. To bring it up. So here it is. Then we have to staple it. See? Turn it, lock it up. Turn. So it's something like this. Staple right to the top. 2. Here is our pandan rose. Then you have to cut it up. Here is our pandan rose. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye for now.